Welcome back, everybody. My name is Mystery Me, and if you guys are new here, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, that like button to help this channel grow, and also thank you for 42 subscribers. My goal is to get to 100 by the end of the year. So if you guys can help me do that, go down below, hit that subscribe and that like button, and let's get into it. So for today's video, we are reacting to 5 top ghosts caught on camera again. And if you guys are enjoying this content, let me know in the comments. Or if you guys want to see something different too, let me know too. I'd like to know as well. So, all right, let's get into it.
A man says that he was just about to head to bed late one night when he noticed something strange. One of his old dolls, which had been sitting on the shelf in his room for years, seemed to move ever so slightly on its own. Thinking that maybe he was just tired and imagining things, he decided to grab his phone to record, and that's when he caught this.
Okay. First of all, that doll, I don't know if you guys know, but that's like not the exact model. I'm not saying this is the real one, but the that is like the literally exact kind of model of doll of like the Annabelle doll, the real one. If you guys didn't know that, that's true. That kind of model of it. But I don't know. I know that's definitely not the real one. I know that that's like locked up somewhere. I don't know where it is, but yeah. And also, those dolls kind of freak me out too. Hmm. Is that? Oh, it's moving so slightly. Is that like? Hmm. Whoa. Wait. Huh. Do you guys see that? Look at that. Looking up and down. Look at that.
The
Oh
doll's
wow.
hand appears to shift slightly.
So, if you guys, I don't know if I can't really tell if that's real. If you guys let me know if you think that's real or that's just like how the it's put. Let me know in below if you let me down below if you think that's real or not, because I have like I think it is, but I'm not slightly. If you guys have different opinions, let me know too.
The man insists that he was completely alone in the room and that no strings or fans were around that could have caused the doll to move. So was this simply a trick of the eye, some subtle vibration that made the toy slide, or is it possible that something paranormal is attached to the doll?
I have no idea. I mean, that one's
A family says that there
kind of like, I don't know, that one. I can't really describe that one. That one had some type of mystery behind it. I don't know, but let's continue.
Ring security camera has been picking up some very strange activity outside their home late at night. They claim that on several occasions they've heard footsteps on their porch even when no one was there.
On their porch.
One evening, the camera finally captured something chilling.
Oh wow, what was that? Whoa, look at that. That was like a dark shadow. Huh, it doesn't even look like a person too. Look at that. Look at that. I'll rewind it. You guys can see it again.
Captured something chilling.
Look at that. See? Like, I don't even know. I don't know if that's like a door near that, but look at that. Whoa, look at it. Seriously. That's crazy. I don't know if that's, I don't know. That's like, it doesn't even look like a person. Look. There's like, you can kind of see the head.
A dark, shadowy figure can be seen darting across the porch.
Huh.
The strange shape almost looks human, but it has no clear features.
Yeah, it
The
does.
figure seems to run at an unnatural speed before vanishing back into the night.
Wow.
The homeowners say that no one was outside at the time, and after checking the footage frame by frame, they are convinced this was not a trespasser.
Huh. Very creepy.
A man in the US says that he often checks his security camera footage in the morning, just to make sure nothing unusual happened during the night. But one evening,
Huh. 4 different areas of the house.
his camera recorded something that left him completely stunned.
It's like, huh. What is that moving? Look at that. It's like is that like a pond or something? But look at that. Whoa. Right here. like where my mouse is. Right there. Watch that if you don't see it. Look at that. Whoa. Almost looks like an orb.
A strange glowing white shape seems to float slowly across his garden.
Huh.
The eerie figure hovers in place for a few seconds, almost as if it's watching before drifting out of sight. The man
Yeah.
insists that there were no lights, fog, or insects around that could explain the strange apparition. He says the entity moved too smoothly to be a
Yeah, that was very smooth. He's right about that.
glare or lens flare. So is this just a strange camera malfunction? A man claims that he has been experiencing intense poltergeist activity
Before we get into this, have you guys seen that that movie that he was talking about? Because that's a good movie. You gotta watch that
inside his home. He says that late one night he heard a sudden crash coming from his kitchen. When he rushed in, he found dishes and cups scattered all across the floor. But what happened when he decided to record proof is even creepier.
one. Something of houses in there, like old houses, or to me, are kind of scary looking. Look at that! Whoa! The plates. I keep moving all over the place. Whoa! What was that? Look at that. I have no idea what that was on the shelf, but you go back. Whoa, look at that. Do you see that, guys?
As he films the mess, one of the fallen dishes begins to slowly slide across
Oh
the
my
floor
God.
completely on its own. No one else is in the room,
Whoa.
and the man can be heard breathing heavily in shock as it happens right in front of him.
I'd be
He
careful.
swears that no strings or tricks were involved, and says this is only one of several nights where similar unexplained events have
Only
occurred in
one
his
of
home.
7 nights? Wow.
In Japan, an urban explorer and YouTuber decides
Have you guys went to Japan? Because I want to go to Japan sometime. Sounds like a good place.
to investigate an old abandoned house deep in the countryside. Locals say the building has a dark past, claiming that it's haunted by restless spirits. The explorer films his walkthrough to share with his viewers, but he captures something that he never expected.
More abandoned places.
いや、これは勝ちま
Oh,
した
what the heck? That's creepy. That's very creepy. That, like, doll. I don't know. Something with dolls and haunted places are terrifying.
人形
Is that him making that noise?
市松人形
Huh. I have no idea what they're saying, but why are there so many dolls? Pictures. Oh, wow. Okay.
なんで人形の写真がここに
Whoa. That started me. I didn't even know that was coming.
誰
Whoa. What was that? Like, did something just dart at him or something? Like, what was that? Wait. Okay, wait. Redo it. Okay, he's like walking around. That little tight corner. I would not be going in there. I would, what? No. Okay. I would not be turning my back right now.
While he begins exploring the place, he finds a photo of a creepy doll.
Yeah.
Just then a noise happens to startle him.
Oh yeah, that actually startled me. I didn't even expect that to happen. Wait, what is? Huh. Whoa! What's going on? Oh, in this room. Dark. No. More pictures.
家族写真家持ってんだけど
We can't see the picture because it's blurred, but I have no idea what they're saying still.
腐ってるから
あ
気をつけてこの継ぎ目、
うん
この継ぎ目がねよくわからんっちゃけど まあこの継ぎ目を歩けばなんとかあ、こんな感じになってんだ。そうだよ。あっち人がいた。あ、キッチン。
What is it? Whoa! Look at that.
これ
Oh. Huh. Is that like the wind or something?
Later on, one of the members capture a shadow moving through a doorway for a brief moment.
That shadow. Okay, I thought you were talking about this little thing over here. I don't know.
これ写真に写ってた人形なの。
That's questionable.
触っていいやつかな。
What the? That almost looks like a ritual doll they're using.
もう触っちゃった。あ、うわ。
I wouldn't be touching that. No.
ガチよ。
No thanks. Mm-mm.
ああ。見せて。しかし何の部屋だろう、ここは。やっぱり君は良くないものなの？
Lastly, in the attic, he finds the same doll he saw in the picture earlier.
Yeah, I wouldn't be touching that. If I think that was used for some kind of ritual, in my opinion, because there's so many pictures of that thing, and it was like placed in like kind of like a basket kind of thing, and no.
Then sense some movements around him. A mother says that she often checks her baby monitor while her young daughter is asleep, just to make sure everything is okay. But one night she noticed something unusual on the screen that sent chills down her spine.
So I've never seen something like this in my kid's room before.
Is he? Wait, is that the thing that she's talking about right here? Because that doesn't look right.
And I've never seen real activity.
Oh,
like proof.
Is that just? Oh, that's moving. Look at that. Look at
I've
that.
never seen proof.
Huh.
But that's the only
That's
spot
like-
in the room that
Weird.
In the corner of the nursery, a strange glowing white figure can be
Yeah.
seen hovering near the crib.
What is
The
that?
eerie shape lingers for several
Yeah, what
seconds,
is that?
almost as if it's watching over the little girl. The mother says there was nothing in the room that could have caused the glow. No lights, no toys, and no reflections. She believes
the
the
heck?
monitor captured something otherworldly.
Yeah, definitely something else.
TikTok user Alessandro says that he's convinced one of his dolls is haunted. To prove it, he set up a camera to record the doll 24/7 while it
More
sits
dolls.
untouched on a shelf in his room. For days, nothing happened. But then the camera finally caught something chilling.
That almost looks like that reminds me of like Scrappy. I don't know why, but like that reminds me of Scrappy for some reason. Oh, look at that! It's moving. Like, huh? What else can happen now? Ooh, and that thing was moving. Do you guys notice that light? Whatever that toy was, that it like stopped.
The doll can be seen very subtly shifting on its own.
And look
At
at-
first, it
and
almost
the
looks like a
toys.
trick of the light. But after watching closely, you can clearly see the figure move as if it's
wow.
adjusting its position. Mexican paranormal explorer Alberto Del Arco and his team head out to investigate an old house that has been left abandoned for decades.
I don't know. I'd be careful exploring abandoned places
say the
because there's a lot of like the floors are like not stable or anything. I just wouldn't do it myself.
Property is cursed, claiming that strange shadows have been seen moving in the windows at night, even though no one has lived there for years.
That's interesting.
¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cómo te llamas?
And if you guys see anything that pops up that I don't see, let me know in the comments and this timestamp, and I'll check it back as well.
llamas? Ismo.
O Luis.
I don't even understand what they're saying. It's in Spanish, so.
Me quedé aquí. Me quedé aquí.
Ismo.
Oh, the heck? Why is it screaming like that?
¿Ismo es tu nombre? ¿Eres un espíritu?
Whatever the spirit they're trying to talk to right now is not happy.
¿Eres un fantasma?
What the heck? It's like almost trying. I think it's like almost, in my opinion, trying to let them know get out.
De pronto veo sombras atrás de ti y está bien raro, güey.
Oh, what the heck? It's like a scream upstairs.
¿Eres un duende?
What the heck? Huh? What is that like noise upstairs?
¿Qué es Ismo?
It's a weird noise.
Estoy preguntando. No es una palabra reconocida en español.
Huh? Is that like dogs?
Ismo. A ver si con X. ¿Qué
This is really
es?
strange.
At first, they capture several movements and distant sounds.
Yeah. Like, do you hear that?
Ay, cabrón. Te juro que a través de la cámara, a menos de que haya sido tu luz, vi algo aquí atrás. Como algo en movimiento en esta parte, pero bueno, a lo mejor fue juego de las luces. No lo sabré decir.
Whoa.
Ok.
Okay. That there's like look at that. There's no one
¿Fuiste
there.
tú?
It's ringing the bell. Wow.
¿No has descansado en paz?
Huh.
¿Sigues en
They're
esta
almost- I
casa?
think they're using that as like the answer, basically. When they're answering the questions, I think they're using that for their questions. I'm not exactly sure because I don't even understand their language, so couldn't tell you much. Huh.
¿Quieres que te ayudemos a trascender? ¿A ir a otro lugar mejor? Te queremos ayudar. Traemos una persona especialista que pueda ayudarte a que estés mejor.
Whoa. Again. Huh. Wow.
Se oye, abajo de las escaleras.
Oh, wait, what was that? Wait. Something in the back. Wait, sorry.
Se oye, abajo de las escaleras.
Back. What was that? Wait, I'm sorry that I keep reminding him, but I want to see for myself what it is.
Se oye, abajo de las escaleras.
I don't notice. Do you guys notice anything that whatever that was in the back? 'Cause I did not see whatever that was in the pack. So if you guys saw that, and let me know what it was.
¿Es tú? ¿Te estás haciendo notar? ¿Oíste, güey? ¿Qué fue eso?
As they begin to ask questions, the bell begins to ring multiple times.
Donde él se quitó la vida. Yo creo que pueden haber varias
So they
cosas,
are
¿eh?
using that as
Ya
their
que la especialista no lo diga.
trying to answer questions. Okay.
Está demasiado fuerte lo que sea que esté.
Mira, deja de llorar aquí.
No, I can't. Okay, no, they're not. They're like. So that just keeps ringing. Okay.
Ok, quiere llamar mucho nuestra
Damn.
atención. ¿Qué le está pasando? Está volviendo loco eso, ¿eh?
I think it's mad.
En el espejo
Whatever
se
that
oye mucho
was.
esto.
Y hay muchos santos.
Ya está acá. ¿Todo bien? Te queremos ayudar. Vamos a ir por un especialista, ¿de acuerdo? ¿Viste eso, güey?
Huh. There's just weird sounds everywhere. Like, look, see.
Parece que aquí hay algo. Ok. ¿Te parece? ¿Bajamos?
Sí,
Y tratamos de traer a madre.
sí,
¿Apagamos la campana?
sí, yo creo.
This is a weird house. I don't get it.
Apagué la campana. Voy a dejar aquí. Arriba, 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 arriba.
What the?
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
Oh
¿Qué es
my-
eso? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
Someone threw that.
¿Lo tienes?
Look at that.
No mames.
Huh.
Parece que lo
I wonder who did that.
The bell ringing becomes more aggressive, and soon the silence is broken by an object falling
Yeah.
off the stairs on its own.
That's
No
crazy.
siempre.
¿Cómo está la energía en el medio?
Oh my god. What they're doing.
Ay, güey. Remolino.
I was
Güey,
thinking-
güey,
Go.
ay, ay, ay.
Go. What the?
¡Irasaja!
What the? Oh my.
Ay, güey.
They're really doing some kind of ritual. Because this is
¿Qué
weird.
fue eso, Matt?
El espíritu que estaba en los Shmor que estábamos hablando,
What the?
Lastly, as they perform the ritual, the
Okay,
fire
yes, they
begins to
are.
shift in a
Okay.
weird shape, hinting
That's
at a
so
presence there.
strange.
Two young girls
never
decided to
heard
record
of that
themselves
kind of
singing
ritual
along to their
before.
favorite song. Everything seems completely normal until the footage is played back later. That's when they notice something absolutely terrifying.
Oh. Wait. Do you guys see that? Look at that in the back. There's like a doll almost, kind of like small head of a doll. I don't know if that. Look at it's like a can't really see. It's hard to see, but look at that in the back. It's like it moves and then you don't see it. Like you go back here and then when it goes to the
As
side
the
and then
girls
goes
happily
back.
sing into the camera, a pale,
That's
distorted face
weird.
suddenly appears in the background. Its features are warped and unnatural, almost as if
Yeah.
it's stretching toward the lens. The girls don't
have
seem
no
to
idea
notice
what
at
that
all,
was.
but the
And
chilling
that's
figure
terrifying.
lingers just long enough to be caught on camera. So is this just a creepy coincidence caused by bad lighting and video compression? Or did these
No.
girls accidentally capture something paranormal
No, that's
lurking in the
paranormal. That's
shadows
not
behind
light.
them?
That's not the
You
lighting.
decide.
Let me know if you think.
Subscribe Top 5 Ghost for
If you let me know what you think about that because I did not. Because I think that was not from the lighting. I think that was paranormal. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you're new here, go down below, hit the subscribe button, that like button to help this channel grow. And again, thank you for 42 subscribers. And I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys want to help me out, go down below, hit those two buttons for me. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.